Well, school starts in just a few weeks, and in order to prevent a Newtown, Connecticut situation from happening, multiple groups came together today to learn from school safety experts. Fox 31's Matt Pritchard spent the day in Columbus, Georgia at a conference to address that issue, and he connects you to that story.
Keeping our kids safe for most parents is priority number one, and today in Columbus, teachers and police were looking to make that process even more sound.
And we put this on each year with the hopes that school educators and law enforcement officials can come together, share their ideas, learn new ideas, and then take those ideas back to their own local communities.
From lieutenants to principals, hundreds gathered for the 4th annual Safety in Our Schools conference and weren't disappointed.
There's people from agencies all over the state here, and to get to talk and find out what's going on in North Georgia counties, what's going on in South Georgia counties, and allow us to share our experiences as well.
Guests at the conference are given the opportunity to sit through several different seminars ranging from sex offender checks to what legal action schools can take if someone brings a gun on campus. And with the shootings at Sandy Hook fresh in their minds, this year's conference was more important than ever.
In recent events, it has brought it to our attention that we really need to go back and revisit our school safety plan. There are elements in our school safety plan that are potentially outdated, and this has given us a lot of good ideas to take back.
And more importantly, the conference allows for questions to be asked that could one day save a life.
Absolutely, and it really makes you reevaluate all portions of your plan.
Over the next month, we'll introduce you to several of the seminars covered during the conference and what changes are being made in your child's school to keep them safe. Matt Pritchard, Fox 31 News.